What do you do if your insurance company is being difficult? Give them more evidence. State Farm's iTail said the shingle match is an estate grade Owens Corning Supreme. Let's see if that actually is the case. Looks like that first repair temp we tried is definitely showing all that granule loss and creasing. This was never a good repair. First issue is, they said they reviewed my video, which is accessible for all the public, and they saw that it was repairable. If that is the case, then why do we have creasing on these shingles? I haven't even touched them. You can just see wear and tear after the repair, meaning wind and rain washed those granules away where the shingles broke from attempting to repair it. I mean, this is proof right here that these shingles are absolutely not repairable. Now, another issue that they've yet to identify, which I've already pointed out, however, you see, this looks like one shingle, right? Like it'd be this shingle. We'll look underneath. See there? This is one whole shingle. Goes right into the valley liner. This is a separate shingle. So this one goes that way, and this one goes this way. Same thing for this, look. See? Separate shingle right there. So this one goes into the valley liner, same thing. So we can't even repair, even if it was repairable, these shingles without having to tear up the whole valley liner. Not to mention, it's a weaved valley. So look, it's all weaved together. There, slash, right? Weaved valley slash identifying the liner. So those are some major issues. We have a lot of damage out throughout this roof. It's not like it's just a few shingles. It's quite a few shingles that we have to attempt to repair. I mean, right here on the eave, down there, back here. This is definitely not a reasonable match. Look at that. Doesn't even look close. So these are our issues. Have an irreparable shingle. Verified, can't be repaired. Valley liner issues with weaved valley starting at the eave, meaning we're tearing up a ton of this roof. Both directions, all the way up. Even on this side. And then we have the shingles. They are not close to matching on this side here. Not even close. So that doesn't match. So you have three really big variables here. We have irreparable, weaved valley liner on both sides, and this back side, it's not a reasonable match.